Hi everyone. Let's see an example for creation of B tree of order 5. B tree of order 5 means it can allow maximum 5 children and it can allow maximum 4 keys. See here one important point. While inserting some data into a B tree, we no need to follow the rules of B tree except the MA search tree. Why? Because the procedure in turn provides automatically to satisfy the remaining two properties. So we don't want to bother about these two properties while creating a binary search tree. B trees. Okay. Fine. So first I will take the value 1, value 3 and I will create a node. Create a node. Then I will take the value 7. Where I will insert the value 7? I will insert the value 7 at the leaf node. There is only one leaf node, so I will insert the value at the leaf node. After inserting, we need to check. There is no violation. Next 9. I will insert the leaf node. I will insert it here. There is no violation. I will insert at the leaf node 23. There is no violation. Next, I am trying to insert the value 45. 45 will be inserted at the leaf node. But if I insert the value 45 here, it is violating the property. When it is violating the property, you need to pick up the median value, median element, and you need to make it as a root node. Make it as root node. Okay. Next I got 1. So I am going to insert always at the leaf node. But searching starts from 9. So is 1 less than 9? Yes. So it will come to this node and it is making sort order. I will insert 1 here. After inserting, there is no violation. Next I will got 5. Is 5 less than 9? Yes. So I will insert my 5 here. After inserting, there is no violation. Next I will got 14. 14 will be inserted at the leaf node. But leaf node can be traversed from 9. Is 14 greater than 9? Yes. I will go for right side. 14. Here I will get 23. Here I will get 45. Next I got 25. 25 will be inserted at the leaf node. So I need to traverse to the leaf node. 25 greater than 9? Yes. So here I will get 25 and here I will get 45. Yes. There is no problem up to here. Next I got 24. My 24 will be inside the leaf node. 24 is greater than 9, so I will come to this leaf node and I will insert 24 here. After inserting of 24, it is violating the MA search tree property. So what we need to do? We need to take out the middle element and make it as parent node. It is 24. If this parent node is also violating, then we need to make the middle element as parent node once again. 24 completed. Next I got 13. 13 will be inserted. 13 is greater than 9 and less than 24. So surely I will add here 30, 14. There is no problem. Next I got 11. 11 will be inserted here. So after insertion of 11 why I have inserted here? It is because greater than 9 and less than 24. After inserting there is no problem. Next I got 8. If I got 8 will be inserted at the leaf node, right? So I will reach to the leaf node because 8 less than 9. So I will compulsory insert at this particular location. If I insert my 8 here, it is violating the property. When it is violating the property, what you need to do? You need to pick up the middle element and you need to make it as a parent. And you need to check for again parent, whether it is violating or not. It is not violating. So we will go for that. Next I will get 19. 19 greater than 9 and less than 24. So then we need to insert here 19, 23. And after inserting 19, it is violating. When it is violating, we need to remove the middle element. What is that middle element? 14, I think. 14. So, I will insert 14 here. Here you will get, I think, 19. Sorry, here you will get, you will have 24. So, this is the corresponding tree. This is the corresponding tree. So, after making this as parent, there is no problem. So, then I will go for inserting once again 4. So, 4 will be inserted obviously here. See, here I am defining very fastly because you already know this question. 4 I inserted the leaf node, as it is less than 5, I will go for inserting. Next I got 31. 31 will be inserted, 24, 31 is greater than 24, so here it will get 31, here it will get 44. Next I got 35, 35 is greater than 24, so here it will get 35, 45. Next I got 36. 36 will be inserted, is greater than 24, so obviously it will insert here 36 and 46. But after inserting this one, it is violating property. When it is violating property, we need to pick up the middle element and I need to make it as a root element. Right? I need to make it a root element. But once I make it as root element, again I need to check for whether it is satisfying or not. Yes. Is it satisfying? No, it is not satisfying because it is having 5 keys, but we need to have maximum 4 keys. So when it is not violating, we need to take out the middle element. What is that middle element? Middle element is 14. So I will pick up and I will make adjustment like this. 14. So my elements are completed. So this is the corresponding B tree of order 5. B tree of order 5. So what is the height of the tree? The height of the tree is